Welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you how to add Google Authenticator to Bitget. First, open the Bitget mobile application and log into your account. Once logged in, look at the top left corner, tap on it. Then click on the Profile button on the top. This will take you to your profile page. On the profile page, you'll see several tabs, including Profile, Security, and Notifications. Tap on the Security tab. Here you'll find the option for Google Authenticator. If you see an exclamation mark next to it, that means Google Authenticator hasn't been enabled yet. Tap on this option and Bitget will provide you with a key. Copy this key and open your Google Authenticator app. In the app, paste the copied key and it will generate a 6-digit code. Copy this code and return to Bitget, where you'll be prompted to enter it. Once entered, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that an extra layer of security has been successfully added to your account. That's how you add Google Authenticator to Bitget. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.